Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. TikTok is hoping to return to India days after PUBG makes a comeback. The ByteDance-owned short video platform was banned by the Indian government along with 57 Chinese apps. In the second wave of the Chinese app ban, PUBG and 117 other apps were banned. However, now PUBG has officially announced its return to India. TikTok too has retained its employees in the country and working with the government to resolve the issues. Contrary to the speculations, ByteDance, that has over 2,000 employees in India, did not lay off any employee post the ban. The employees received a bonus this year, as per an ET report. TikTok India head Nikhil Gandhi had assured his employees in an email that the company is trying hard to make a comeback and working closely with the government to take care of the issues that were raised. We remain committed to the positive impact our platforms can have on society. Our employees have been at the heart of our business and we place the utmost importance on our employees' personal and professional well-being, Gandhi said in the email. According to people familiar with the matter, Gandhi said in its email. Gandhi also informed his employees via an email that the company is fully committed to complying with local laws and security requirements. Hence it is hoping for a positive outcome in India. We have demonstrated unequivocal commitment to comply with the local laws, including data privacy and security requirements, and are therefore optimistic about a positive outcome. Our clarifications have been submitted to the government and we will continue to allay any further concerns they may have. Together with our employees, we remain dedicated to our users and creators who have found not only recognition but also new avenues of livelihood through our platform, Gandhi said in the email. TikTok had one of the largest user bases in India. It was banned and blocked on the servers in the wake of India and China's clash at the Galwan Valley. However, now if TikTok manages to get rid of its China connection, it can return to India soon. Meanwhile, PUBG made its Indian fans very happy by announcing a comeback. PUBG Corporation officially PUBG Mobile India on Thursday. The company has said that the new version of the game has been specifically designed for Indian users. PUBG Corporation plans to make investments worth $100 million in India to cultivate the local video game, esports, entertainment, and IT industries. Outside of the manufacturing industry, these investments will represent the largest made by a Korean company. Thanks to overwhelming community enthusiasm for PUBG sports in India, the company also plans to make investments by hosting India-exclusive esports events, which will feature the biggest tournaments, the largest prize pools, and the best tournament productions, PUBG said in a statement. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.